Hey, what's up? What's up? Hey, thank you so much for hooking up with Jay's Kitchen. I'm here with Ken. Ken is
Kitchen.
Yeah, Ken is doing his magic.
Master kitchen.
Yes. So today we're making a dish that has never been made before. Dish made by men. Boom! Boom! Iko nini? Nani atasema nini? Kama una shida, enda kwa comment section, ujitambulishe na useme pale unaishi uone. Uone.
Tamkuja hadi hapo.
Mambo?
Kwani umeamwaje tu?
Babe.
Yeah? Yes, sir. I'm sing the bell.
What are you doing?
Just washing the dishes, you know.
Kevla na yake kwa klasi.
Sivi, kuna mtu naingilia lakini sasa bana. Just doing the dishes, you know. Just left the baby and wife to just rest today. I'm helping them. I'm supporting them. You know. Just done my international calls. I'm done. So what's we just cooking them a light lunch. So I just had to do the dishes for them. You know. Life is like that. You know, you have ups and downs and ups.
Sasa hii ni down. Down ni kuosha vyombo.
That was doing your washing the dishes.
Yeah, I know they'll get dirty again, but you have to wash them anyway.
He's doing such a good job, by the way.
I always do a good job, you know. If you know I'm imitating you, just comment down there.
And like,
but I'll be here just doing the dishes. I do the dishes from Monday to Monday. You know.
At Monday to Monday. Stop lying.
We had to let go of our house help, Corona.
Today, babe, honestly. Today kwa na house help. Shida yako ni gani?
You know, just a slow Sunday. Just doing what you have to do, you know. And by the way, guys who are calling me Jay with a H,
make sure you subscribe to the channel.
Guys who are calling me Jay with a H, I cannot just take that. It's not my name. My name is Jay, not Jay.
Oh my god. Maybe shout out the channel that we watch.
Oh my god.
I want to shout out.
I do the shout out.
Yeah, do the shout out today.
Big up yourself, Green Calabash. Love you so much. She inspires. Rama without the H. I'm doing dishes the same way you do that. Thank you so much for entertaining us during the COVID season. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. I don't know what to say. Anyway, Green Calabash, Rama, Shiko, and the kids. I will not mention them because I know I don't have permission. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Keep doing what you do. Keep vlogging. Keep showing that.
In 3 weeks I will post.
3 weeks on the post? Yeah.
This year, man.
Wanaitwa the Green Calabash.
Kwani sabuni ya kuosha vyombo iliisha? Wewe Rama. I'm done by the way.
You're done?
Yeah.
Hebu tuone kazi safi yenye inafanyika hapa. Good job.
Thank you.
We need more men like you guys.
Ana anajificha huko.
Haya.
So,
Ken?
And today we are with the MajestiQ family.
Hey.
MajestiQ family.
What is MajestiQ?
today nakata viazi. I'm doing the viazis. Yeah. Doing the viazis.
Yeah.
Some stuff. You're cooking. Men are cooking.
Men are in the kitchen.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
So,
So if you wanna know how to cook, follow our channel. Wanaume wanajifanya sijui wataki kupikia wanawake. Shauri zao warudi ocha.
Tuarudi ocha.
Anyway, by the way, today we're just making a small dish, simple dish. By the way, we're making sauteed potatoes with garnished in paprika, with curry powder, and a stew that has been slow cooked to make, you know, that feeling that you have, but it's not there. Yes, that. We are making food.
You can hide something good.
So, as you can see, I'm just doing the dishes.
Ken is down there.
Where watch us?
We are cooking. So I'm cooking potatoes and I'm just frying them. Then I'll have the meat later. Because I need some soup, but before I add some soup, I'm just adding some potatoes. Then later, because I've already boiled the meat, later I'll add the meat, and then I'll add the meat and the rice, all those things later.
Yeah, like you heard, that is Kane on the grill. Ken anamaliza mazee anafanya hata moto
Chocha wa familia.
Shy. Ushaona moto inagusa sufuria inasikia utamu. That is what Ken is doing. Anyway, kama vile anafanya sasa, I'm just sanitizing what we're going to use to eat. Mimi kwa hivi I'm applying soap and water kama vile Gavai ilisema. Kama ufanye hizi vitu, by the way, jiangalie, jishughulize. What are you doing with your life?
A few inches later.
Even if you have a washing machine, I think for
Na nyinyi? Nyinyi mnapikiwa tu. Ati unafanya? Na chill tu.
Niko na maji.
Si nimeona atavuta hivi mwagike muone vile mjaiona. Say hi to people.
Hi guys. We are here with Mike. Having a good time.
A good time. Good time. A good time. A good time.
And waiting for the man to cook for guys.
Yeah. Because why not?
Why not?
Yeah, Matt. And your little feet. And your feet.
And your little cute feet. His little cute feet. His little cute feet.
So you're just chilling, like.
Yeah, we're just having a good time.
Yeah.
And molesting these men.
What?
One eternity later.
Our final presentation.
My boy child. Wamekaza.
But wametry. Ebu, see my plate. Hey, it's sour. Sindio?
Nisikie mtu akicomplain.
Hebu tusaidieni chumvi.
Chumvi. Uliweka kwa hiyo chakula.
Ati kujeni tuone. Akiwa na to serve religiously. Ken, thank you. Thank you.
I serve my baby like this every day.
Oh my God! Wow!
Oh my. So, the people who think the people who think they are not true men out here, you better be like sitting down and taking notes. There are people who think that, oh, marriage and whatever and relationship.
I don't even.
No, you have to comment.
Yes, I'm commenting and saying the food I'm eating was cooked by my man. Ooh.
Nyama.
It's sweet.
Nyama imeiva.
Vizuri kabisa.
Imeiva kabisa.
Design ingine ya ajabu.
And the men can cook.
Yeah, men can cook, and if your man loves you, he can do anything for you. So don't think there's no men out here who can take care of you. Don't settle for less. Never settle for less. Now, enjoy your life. Babe, come here, I tell you thank you.
I'm feeling mad.
Ebona.
What are you doing?
Mati.
Man, sasa. Dia nakulisha. Acha nakaa msubu, guys. Dia nakulisha. Sione, bwana. Ona, anko hapo nyuma. Bas, kula. Bas.
Hii chakula imepikwa na wanaume bana. Usidanganywe.
Usidanganywe.
Tuna uwezo sisi. Tunajiweza. Wacha niwaambieni kwa sababu kuna watu wanaenda na maintain ati wanaume hawezi. Situweza. Sema kitu kingine mimi. Hilo niko nataka kusema hilo tu. Na nimalizia tu hapo.